let's start. So I'm actually gonna start with the polka dots because I want that one to be on the bottom. When I have a patterned ribbon that I want to outshine other ribbons, the closer to the top of my bow I want it to be. So I want this one to be closer to the top of my bow. All right, so for this one, I am gonna give it some tails. I'm gonna do about a 15-inch tail. So I just measure out 15 inches. I'm gonna squeeze down in there, bring that towards me. And the ugly sides here, I'm gonna come out to the 6-inch mark here and give it a twist. I'm glad I didn't order it from you yesterday and really happy you already shipped it. Aw, Susan, I am too. I love that window pane ribbon. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I have like a little bow tie thing going on here. And we're gonna bring this one down and trim it the same, or I'm gonna go a little bit longer than the first one. A great place to add a little variety and texture to your bows is adding that raffia in there. That phoenix tail, I'm not loving it. I really wish I had my raffia. When I bought it, I bought this huge amount. Huge. So it's lasted me a while. I just can't find it. I've moved since I used it last. All right, so I'm gonna go with the pop of color, right? So this has got some good color to it. I'm gonna do 2 loops of this. Remember the recipe, right? There is no right or wrong recipe. So this recipe is 1 loop, 6 inches on each side of the 2.5. This one is a 5-inch, 2 loops on each side. Now I'm going to come back to, oh, Roberta, where in the heck do you use the window pane on top of the bottom of your ribbon? Yes, Pam. So the answer is yes on both, because it goes well in between, on top, bottom, and it just depends on where you want to place it. Do you want it to be an accent? Do you want it to be a focal point? All right, so let's use this pumpkin ribbon. I'm going to go 2 loops on each side, 1, 2, and I went in not in exactly a full inch in, maybe. I can still see the ribbon behind it. Denise, I know, and I'm out of it. Girl, and it's a velvet. It's actually an indoor-outdoor velvet. I'll quit talking about it now. Okay, there we go. But the other dark rust colors, like this one, would also work well. This one just introduced that turquoise or teal in there, and I didn't want to bring that color in. Rockford to pick up that blue. Oh, that blue. Oh, no. Well, I'm glad you made it back home, girl. Glad you made it back home. I know, Denise, but this one is in stock. I can tell you that, if you like that dark rust. All right, now let's bring, I want to bring some of this 3-in-1. I need to move him out of my way. He's messing up my JoJo. And he's going to get 1 loop on each side. And let's see what that cream looks like. If I do just a little smidge of cream in the center, I just want a little bitty loop. Do I want to top it off with some cream? I'm not exactly sure.